Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Eli, and Eli is 3 months old. He was born 1 month premature, so he's more like a 2-month-old. And in previous videos, we talked about colic massage. So we've done some where I did rubbing of the belly specifically. Some babies who are colicky and having abdominal discomfort will not tolerate you to rub on their belly. So I showed another exercise to move the legs. I wanted to show another variation on that. Ooh, ooh. One is you take the knees and you go around in a circle. 1, 2, 3. You want to see how far up you can go with those knees toward the chest? And you can try clockwise and counterclockwise. Nice. Hey, I see you. And I do about 5 times each way, and then I finish it off with what I call bottom over top rotation. So I take both legs off to one side, hold down the other shoulder, really get a stretch across that belly in case it's tied up in knots to help lengthen out that belly, and then go across and go to the other side. These knees this way, hold down the opposite shoulder. Ooh, 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 does that feel good? Does it feel so good? Yes. So round in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise, and then the bottom over top rotation. For those little kids who are having stomach discomfort and do not tolerate you doing belly massage, hope this is a good option for you for helping soothe those unhappy bellies. Hope this is helpful. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.